Welcome aboard the evolution to digital asset and maintenance management. Welcome to RTS Digital.
Downer is Australia's leading provider of asset management services for passenger rolling stock. With 150 years of history, we've been supplying and maintaining rolling stock right across Australia, and we're constantly challenging ourselves to remain at the forefront of asset management practices. One of the key things that we do, we're using technology to drive continuous improvement in our operations. The importance of available, reliable, safe passenger services is critical to keeping our cities moving.
RTS Digital is Downer's rail and transit systems, digital consulting software and services business, leveraging our 15 years of investment and experience in digital asset management and maintenance. Our digital capabilities and asset management experience allows us to deliver step change improvements to our customers' asset and maintenance management practices, leading to improved reliability, availability, and efficiency of rail assets. Powered by the TrainDNA platform, we have taken a product-based approach where we have packaged our capabilities into modules addressing specific customer needs. These product modules are digital maintenance management, operational intelligence, asset intelligence, robotics, and sustainability. This approach allows RTS Digital to focus on specific customer needs and deliver benefits in periods measured in months rather than years. Step by step, we can help you digitize your asset and maintenance practices.
Asset intelligence and analytics are the smarts of Downer's digital product suite. Purpose-built by data scientists, it's designed to aid fleet engineers solve challenging problems. RTS Digital over time has developed significant capability in this area. Examples of problems solved are extensions of overhauls on bogies, workflow automation, and failure predictions on systems such as power supply units, doors, batteries, HVACs, and inverters. The auxiliary power supply model is one example where we've been able to build a predictive model that provides actionable insights to the maintenance team. Our model monitors the temperatures of the power supply unit to make sure it doesn't overheat and shut down, which would lead to an out-of-service train. We extract and analyze the data of over 400 auxiliary power supply units and apply a performance risk factor to each of them, so we can then inform the maintenance team of the worst ones so they can decide whether to bring them into maintenance. Not only that, by looking at the weekly forecast, we can tell if any of them are going to reach that failure temperature in the imminent future, and then send out automatic alerts to avoid a train failing in service. Analyzing data to produce accurate insights and findings inform every component of train maintenance, operations, and business decision-making. Downer has developed a standard set of reports across 8 domains, being maintenance interval optimization, workforce utilization, reliability analysis, energy efficiency, failure prediction, asset life expectancy, supply chain performance, and configuration control. The benefits gained from asset intelligence include faster investigations, increased conditional-based maintenance, increased predictive maintenance, and optimized maintenance plans.
Across different geographies and markets, the need to improve asset management practices is increasing at pace. Downer's long-standing rail expertise, capability, and strategic partnerships means that RTS's digital offerings, powered by TrainDNA, allows us to help customers improve their asset management practices, leading to improved reliability, availability, efficiency, and safety outcomes.
Wherever you would like to start, RTS Digital has a product to assist that will deliver results. We look forward to working with you and enabling your digital journey.